Meaning of difficulty.
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 Difficulty. The term difficulty refers to the level of challenge or complexity associated with a particular task or problem. It is a subjective assessment that depends on various factors such as an individual's prior knowledge, experience, and cognitive abilities. A task that is deemed difficult requires more effort, time, and resources to accomplish. The level of difficulty can be measured using different scales or metrics, depending on the nature of the task. Generally speaking, higher levels of difficulty are associated with greater feelings of frustration, stress, and anxiety, while lower levels are perceived as more manageable and achievable.